Hi everyone and welcome back. So we are able to connect to the database. ठीक है तो हम what all database client we should use, how to connect to the database, all these things. तो मेरे पास TablePlus is like a simple utility software. We can use it through from TablePlus. What I did is I entered the host name, port, username, password, database name, and I am able to connect to the database. Simple, right? Now here you can just select to the tables, create some table. You can start playing with database. That is one thing, because the Postgres that is already up and running through the Docker container. We already have a Redis up and running. Now next thing is connecting to it. So we already know host, port, username, password, and database name. So just create a connection string. You can also use the Postgres administrator UI or some other database connection tool. I mean, there are many in the market. I use TablePlus a lot. So if you want to just switch, you can just do this. And Docker Desktop gives you lots of overview. Docker Desktop gives you, okay, what all containers, what all volumes, what all images you have. So you can actually check, and this is our database table. You can create tables manually, but we are using TypeORM, right? So TypeORM is capable enough. जो हमारे database entities बनाएंगे हम उसको अपने आप ही database tables में convert कर देगा. That is why in the typeorm model.for root we are passing synchronized true. What that synchronized true means, जो हम database के entities बनाएंगे, जब भी हम application को start करेंगे, it will automatically convert all the entity classes into the tables right here. And this is just about the tool. Okay, you just need to have a TablePlus to visualize your database, change your database, query your database, or any other your favorite tool. If you have, you can just do that. So it's just a simple connecting to that database.